The second area is all around here, so we need to remove the tiles from everywhere here. So the tiles from here and the entry, we need to remove them. And here, now be careful, the toilet stays, so just go slowly around the toilet, don't break the toilet please. Okay, so I'm rethinking, this is 900, the minimum regulation is 1 meter, we will bring to 105, so it's not going to be freaky for people to look down. When we think about it now, we're going to have the stainless steel handrail here and one over there. So this area, that area, we will buff it up, it's quite easy. And here will be the stainless steel handrail. So, walking inside, those have been elevated, now we don't need to have balustrades. It looks much nice and clean. Garage looks okay, they're just washing the house at the moment, that's why we have some water. Have our toilet and the wall for the toilet itself, hiding the pipes, nice place for the vanity. Painting is pretty much completed. Looks very nice and bright. Master bedroom, new vanity will come here, and toilet. This is looks and feels very comfortable. Another room, main bathroom, new vanity will be fitted here, toilet, vanity, and another bedroom. We fixing concrete, washing the house. Yeah, that feels much better. I'm very happy with that. Welcome to the fully renovated property that has been done by the Renovation team.